Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we'll check out these updates. So starting off with this first update, so this update is available with the name of Google Play System Update. For that, you have to scroll down and tap on About Phone, then tap on Software Information, then tap on Google Play System Update. So there's the latest Google Play System update available of September 1st, 2025 that you guys might be missing out. For some reason, the update is not coming right now, but it is available on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and also on the S25 Ultra as well. Due to internet connection, that was not coming earlier, but it came later. Next up, when you will open the Galaxy Store app, so you will get to see that there's a new update available. First of all, you will get to see a 13 MBs of update, and after that you will get to see another update of 36 MBs in size. Once the updates are downloaded, your Galaxy Store application will be closed and the update will be installed. Then tap on menu, then tap on updates. So from here you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available in this Galaxy Store. Most of them include some bug fixes, but there are new features added with the Samsung Calendar and the Samsung Health. There's this new Discover option available in the Samsung Health which adds some new features, but that are limited to some countries. We also get to see some new improvements with the Good Log application and multiple other app updates. To update them all, simply tap on Update All and all of these apps will be updated. You can also update a singular app by simply tapping on the icon in front of each application. Also, if you haven't already, so you can update your device on the latest security patch. For that, simply go into the software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you can install this October 1st, 2025 latest security patch. And that's wrap for today's video. These were some of the updates available with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So check out these updates and let me know in the comment section that have you got these updates on your device or not. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.